हेलो एंड यू वाचिंग क्लैपट्रैप, वी आर बैक अगेन। एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको लेके चल रहे हैं एक ऐसी जगह पे जिसको बनाने वाले भी क्लैपट्रैप फैमिली मेम्बर हैं और जिसमें रहने वाले जो रेजिडेंट हैं वो भी क्लैपट्रैप फैमिली मेम्बर हैं। एक बहुत खूबसूरत सा आपको फ्यूजन हाउस दिखाएंगे और पूरे प्रोसेस में एक लर्निंग है वो हमारी बहुत काम आएगी। तो चलिए वीडियो की स्टार्ट करते हैं।
How are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Good. I'm so happy to be on your show again.
Welcome back, and it's pleasure, always a pleasure to see you. And we are meeting for the second time.
Yes, we are meeting for the second
Okay, so curiosity level has gone up. The name of the company वहाँ से start करते हैं, फिर हम अपने major questions पूछेंगे आपसे. What is the name of your company?
time. Turnkey Interiors.
Turnkey Interiors. And in Turnkey project interiors में हम क्या project लेते हैं, क्या क्या हम करते हैं?
Actually, we are the interior designers. Now, I would like to call ourselves as interior stylist. I think
Designer and stylist.
Yeah,
Lovely.
so this is a new term that you will often hear now. So
Okay.
we want to call ourselves as interior stylist. Yes.
All right. We are not into architect business. We don't do civil work.
Yeah, so we used to do that, but primarily our focus is on interior designing and interior styling now.
Okay.
Yes.
Under this company, under the name of this company, how many projects you have executed so far?
We've already completed about 35 to 40 projects so far.
Okay.
Across NCR.
Delhi NCR.
Yes, Delhi NCR.
Including Noida and Gurugram.
Yes, Gurugram and Noida both.
Right.
Yes.
Okay. So now going back to the basic question where we started from. The first video that we did with you for Turnkey project, it was the urban house.
The urban house. Yes.
And how was the response?
It was really great. So all thanks to you.
Welcome.
I would say that. But at the same time, we got a good response, and people were happy to see our work. And I'm sure our the opportunities that we've gained so far is immense. So
Okay.
I really want to thank you for that.
Welcome. And I was interacting with Imran, owner of the company Turnkey project. He owns the company.
Yes, he
So we
owns
were
the
having a very small rendezvous, or there was a small discourse we had, like before this video we started rolling on. He was sharing something with us that the video we shot with you last time
Yeah.
has delivered this project to your pocket. So this is one of the Claptra family members project.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So I would say that we shot the other video, and we got this business just
From that video?
From that video, yes.
Okay. All right. So we are shooting at Claptra family members house, and now talking about this particular property. This is 4,500 square feet, as Imran has told us, right?
Yes.
No?
Yes.
Is it? My information is correct?
Absolutely.
Okay. And this property is owned by Mrs. Gupta. What does she do?
She's actually a district judge in Gurugram.
Okay.
Yeah.
All
District
right.
court, judge of the district court. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Understandable. That was an urban house. If you remember last time we spoke, I mean, I'm sure you remember
Yes,
it.
yes.
Our viewers also will remember. We'll paste that URL in the description box so they can have a check at that video as well.
So that would be
This
great.
also, this property also has a little bit of that urban lifestyle embedded in it.
See, I'll be honest to you that nowadays, because there are children from the young generation,
Okay.
right? So everybody is looking forward to a urban sort of a design. But at the same time, if we were to look at our parents, the earlier generation, they still want that contemporary and the some Indianism in the house. So
Okay.
so that was the biggest challenge, and I'm sure once we'll go,
We'll see the
we're
detail.
gonna see the details.
Okay, so it's a fusion,
It's a fusion, absolutely. So
risky fusion.
yeah, risky.
Okay.
That
Why
was a
we say
challenging
risky
piece.
fusion? Because we have been professing this idea in previous videos as well, that whenever you create something and that has a blend of both rustic and contemporary, and sometimes you have mid-century classical furniture as well.
Yeah.
So it's a very difficult task. Not everybody can deal with it.
Correct.
So are you happy with the end result?
See, yes, absolutely very happy, and you picked up the right chord. That was the most challenging part of this. So
Okay.
we're gonna go into details for sure, but yeah, that was the most challenging, to understand the requirements, not only of the children but
Okay.
of the parents as well, and just wanted to keep a blend of both. So
All right. So we'll start from the living room.
yeah,
then we'll
absolutely.
Go to the room.
Let's go ahead.
All right. All right, Pushkar. So we have come inside now.
Yes, we have come to the living room now.
Okay. So we'll start revealing now.
Yes, please.
Okay. Please tell me.
So actually, you would see a lot of space here. First of all, a lot
Okay.
of space for air to flow, and you would see a combination of Indian textiles and the contemporary sweat. You would not find this this kind of a concept a lot today, but I think that was something that was required and asked by our clients as well. So we ensured that we keep their interest levels intact and come up with something. And if you could just see this chair as well, and this is kind of an antique chair, but with kind of a modern sectional
Okay,
sofa. Yes.
Okay, so as we were talking in the beginning when we started, introducing you as a company,
Yes.
you were saying that there was a challenge that creating a fusion.
Yes.
A fusion with the help of textile, with art objects, with
Yeah.
furniture, everything.
Yeah.
Even furniture has a fusion.
Yes.
There is a L corner sectional sofa you have.
Yes. So while you see the sectional sofa, a combination of the Indian textile contemporary sweat, but at the same time there was another challenge as well.
Okay.
When we started off our discussion with our clients, they had many of the art objects
Okay.
that they had been storing from about 20 2 decades, maybe 20 years or 30 years.
Okay.
Like you see this idol here, right? And there are a couple of other art objects there as well. If you see there.
Okay.
So they just ensured that these are the props that they want to keep, and we had to ensure that while we think about the layout, the furniture placement, we also think about these props too.
Acha. So
And this is what, sorry,
no
to
problem.
interrupt.
Yeah, no, please go ahead.
And this is why we said that we are interior stylists, because that is the job of ours, that while we focus on designing, we also focus on putting the props at the right place that meets our client needs and the interest as well.
हाँ, ये बहुत ज़्यादा मैं इसको अगर हिंदी में कहूँ
हाँ जी।
तो बहुत ज़्यादा इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर्स हैं जो बहुत ज़्यादा एस्थेटिकली बहुत करेक्ट नहीं होते हैं व्हेन इट कम्स टू स्टाइलिंग, इंटीरियर स्टाइलिंग के बारे में। तो आपने बताया अभी कि क्योंकि क्लाइंट के पास ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे आर्ट ऑब्जेक्ट्स थे,
हाँ जी।
तो आपको एक फ्यूजन क्रिएट करना था और वही प्रॉप्स यूज़ करने थे और साथ में कंटेम्प्रेरी फील बनाना था, है ना? ओके, वंडरफुल आइडिया। सेकेंड इज दी फर्नीचर प्लेसमेंट। यहाँ पे एक आपने ये सोफ़ा दिया है, सेक्शनल सोफ़ा आपने यूज़ किया है। हम अपने वीडियोस में हम अक्सर बात करते हैं कि एल कॉर्नर सेक्शनल सोफ़ा जो है जनरली लोग गलत तरीके से इस्तेमाल करते हैं। जस्ट टेल अस अबाउट दैट।
Sure. So while you see the sectional sofa, you would not see a back of this L shape. The reason
This
is
is
that
RHS, correct.
yeah. So we really do not want to block the view.
ओके,
So while somebody is sitting just in front of this side, so they should have a view to the balcony and outside, so that
Right.
we ensure that we do not want to give that back to it.
so the person looking at the focal point becomes the nature outside,
Yes.
and you stay connected with the nature.
Correct.
All right, so you have modern straight line furniture, then you have contemporary modern, and then contemporary table, then you have got this antique furniture.
Correct.
These, and then you have the futuristic unit as well.
Yes.
So this is how it makes the fusion.
Yes. This.
Okay, and if we talk about lights,
Yeah. So the lights we wanted to focus. So you normally what you see in the living room is a chandelier, right? So one of the major client needs was that they did not want to have a hanging chandelier.
Okay.
So we actually customized it. So this was actually being developed in our in-house with our partners.
Okay.
And we had this wooden touch. We can just call it as a
As a
grid.
ceiling light.
Yeah, as a
Nice.
ceiling light or a grid with some wooden frame and put some lights in it.
generally we get to see these things on wall.
Yes.
Okay, so this is nice and very spacious.
Yes.
Very spacious. A lot of people can actually be accommodated at the one go, and not many people understand this. But you have very nicely not blocked the
Correct.
pathways. The walkways are available. You can freely move around in this space. That's what I like.
Yeah. So we just wanted to give a free space within a living room. Not,
Okay.
You know,
Without
at-
making it very claustrophobic.
Yeah, so people at times, put a lot of furniture in the in the living room. So
Okay.
but we wanted to make it spacious, and as I told you, our clients is a district judge, a district court judge. So
Okay.
they can have meetings here. If they want to invite some people, there are social gatherings.
Okay.
So while we have ample of sitting capacity, but we ensured we wanted to make it spacious as well.
All right. Okay, and there's one thing about the light, the color on the wall, and I think this is paint.
Yes, this is paint.
This is paint, and in contrast to your sofa, that's how it should be.
Correct.
And again, furniture, just to break the monotony, because blue was going throughout, and it was a large size of a unit.
Yes.
So it is important. It actually becomes very important when you have a large unit like this. Never continue the same color to your hiving chairs. Otherwise, this looks like a furniture store.
Yeah.
If you continue the same color.
Correct. So
So
we had
this mustard yellow is breaking the monotony, right?
Correct. Correct.
Okay.
We just wanted to make it a contrast. Yeah.
Okay, cool. And from here we go to the
The dining
other
area.
side. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so from living room to dining area.
Yes.
Okay, there's no separate living room here, as in drawing room, living room. It's both.
It's both. Yes.
Okay, there's the reason furniture is made that way.
Correct.
Okay, let's talk about this space.
So, in order to follow the uniformity, so you would see the similar light panel here.
Okay.
Right. But this is one of the beautiful dining table I've ever seen, actually. So this was specially chosen keeping our clients' interest. And yeah, so
This is the original marble.
yes.
Okay, so okay, you want my opinion on this?
Yes,
okay,
please.
this has come out very well, and in this particular property, if we talk about this particular house, what I liked most, I mean, there are a couple of other points. One of the most interesting points that you have given a lot of space for people to move around. Otherwise, people actually fill it too much with props or maybe larger than the furniture. Those are obnoxiously large.
Yes.
And then they become the hindrance. Even in the, you look at the furniture placement here also, there's a lot of space to move around.
Correct.
You know, without, you know, ergonomically correct, you will not hit anybody.
Correct.
So this is one point, and this is 8-seater dining table without making it look like so beefy and big.
Correct.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. And as you rightly said that we have been following the same light, so we don't get the cultural shock.
Correct.
Okay. And I'm attracted to that unit and that mirror, mid-century furniture, mid-century classical unit.
Yes, yes.
Very nice turquoise blue. Okay.
And this is giving a brilliant contrast to the overall setup here.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
And breaking the monotony.
you know, I just loved it when
This is very nice.
Yeah.
Generally, people don't use mirror in the dining spaces, and I'm sure you must be having a thought behind it, just to create an illusion of space.
Yes, absolutely. And and moreover, you know, while you see here, this is a texture paint as well. This is mid-century classic furniture that we have, and with this mirror, so it's giving a proper feel of
Modern house.
modern house.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This is paint, not a wallpaper. Okay.
This is paint.
Oh, okay.
This is paint.
All right. All right. So we are taking another perspective now.
Yes.
ये आप यहाँ पे क्या temple है?
हाँ जी, ये मंदिर है. And so it's a beautiful mandir. So you could see 2 chairs.
Oh, nice. Beautiful chandelier of
Yes.
modern style. Okay, contemporary chandelier है यहाँ पे एक.
हाँ जी.
Very nice, simple Korean में बना हुआ एक छोटा सा temple है, and there are 2 small seating
Yeah. And
chairs है यहाँ पे.
these are sliders here.
Just to create space,
Yeah.
privacy.
Yeah, just to create privacy.
What is it made of? ये किस चीज़ का है? Wood में है ये.
Yeah, wood में.
Okay, ठीक है. Now we are done with the living room and the dining space. Where are we going now?
So we can go to the bedrooms and we can show
Okay,
that.
all right. Let's go inside. Pushkar, we'll go to the guest room first.
Yes, please.
Okay. एक चीज़ हमने नोटिस किया है यहाँ पे कि हर डोर पे, if you look at this from when you are standing in the lobby, every door has different curtains. Like this has got blue, this has got a little summer green color.
Yeah.
Why so?
So basically, उनका perspective ये था that once you are entering into a room, you know, it will give you a little feel of the kind of the colors and the themes that have been used in the respective room.
Okay.
So I'm sure once you go in this room and then the other room, so you will get to see a different color of a curtain.
Okay, so let's go inside.
And, yeah. let's see.
Okay.
Please.
So this summer green actually gives you the feeling that you get to see a lot of green color inside.
Yeah.
Okay.
So actually, this is a guest room, and what you see here is a refurbished bed.
Okay.
So they already had it.
Oh, this is old, huh?
Yeah, this is the
Okay.
old one.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Imran was telling me about this, that there were a couple of furniture units and they were refurbished by you. Oh, they don't look old at all.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And then?
And what you see here is the kind of a similar pattern with a similar color theme.
Okay.
You know,
The wall art.
the wall art. Yes.
Okay. Cool. So this is a guest room.
Yes.
And this is following very minimalistic approach. Not too many furniture units here, just to make it a little simple. But even that unit particularly, if you look at.
Yeah, this unit is also refurbished.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let me check, because it's not easy to refurbish these kind of units. Okay. Wow, this is nice. Not less than 60-70 years old.
Yes.
Huh? Okay. Very nice. Are we entering now? Girls' room.
Yes.
Okay. Wow. Okay. अच्छा, so जो curtain आपने main entrance पे दिया है वो actually एक feel दे देता है उसका कि आप now you're going to the princess room. Please come.
Yeah, thank you.
Wow, this is very nice.
And in the princess room, you see a dressing table as well.
Oh, lovely. Very nice. This is customized for this particular space?
Yes, this is customized. And
Very
you
nice.
You see a chair, a brilliant chair here. So dressing unit is good.
Okay. Generally, in if you look at it from the color perspective, generally people tend to overdo with a lot of pink and a lot of baby pinks and a lot of Kashmiri pink in girls' room. But this has got a little mix of both.
Little mix of both. So we did not want to actually overdo it. You know, this gives you a simplicity as well.
Okay.
With a little taste of the girliness, the kind of colors like purple or pink, but just keeping a subtle look.
Okay.
And giving a classy look as well.
Nice, very nice oval shape mirror also for her to get ready.
Yeah.
Comfortable bed which has got throughout the paneling of SS and then comfortable bed.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you see a contemporary suede here as well.
Okay. Right.
So following
okay.
the same theme that we discussed in the living room.
Okay. And this is our entertainment unit again floating. Okay. What about this workstation?
So this is kind of a workstation. Somebody can use it as a study table as well. But yeah, so they can keep their books. They can keep some of the stationeries, and they can. This is a good chair, you know. So they can just sit, enjoy their time.
Oh, okay. Generally, chairs for study room they are not as large as this.
Correct.
This can be, you know, if you turn it around, this can be used for sitting purpose also.
Sitting purpose.
If you have a guest inside.
Yes.
All right. Nice. So this is for the girls' room. Now we go to the boys' room.
Yes, please.
Okay.
That's good.
और ये हमारा बॉयज़ रूम है, राइट?
जी बॉयज़ रूम है.
ठीक है. थोड़ा सा लाइट की कमी है यहाँ पे क्योंकि अभी थोड़ा लेट हो चुका है.
Yes.
और ये इसमें फोकस पॉइंट क्या है हमारा?
This is the wardrobe. I
अच्छा.
think we should just look at the wardrobe.
हाँ.
And अगर आप इसके कलर कॉम्बिनेशन देखें, कलर थीम्स देखें, the kind of style that it reflects, it's impeccable.
ओके. यहाँ पे हमने ज़्यादातर ब्लू टोन्स का यूज़ किया है.
हाँ जी.
पीछे हमारे पास हमने स्ट्रेट लाइन ज़्यादा यूज़ किया है यहाँ पे जस्ट टू क्रिएट द इल्यूजन ऑफ हाइट, है ना?
करेक्ट.
और ये बेड भी कंपेयर टू गर्ल्स रूम ये थोड़ा सा इसका जो हेडबोर्ड है वो थोड़ा छोटा है. ओके. क्योंकि रूम का साइज छोटा है इसलिए.
हाँ, रूम का साइज छोटा है. एंड मोर ओवर यू नो वी लाइक the other room was the girls room, the princess room, you know. ये एक लड़के का रूम है.
Okay.
So we wanted to give the color theme that you know
goes with his personality.
Yes.
Okay. यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं आपके पीछे जो वार्डरोब है that is the highlight. फिर हम दिखाएंगे कि जो बिल्डर ने बना के दिया था वो बताएंगे हम कितना अच्छा. ये बहुत अच्छा एक है जिसमें आपने एसएस की प्रोफाइल लगाई हुई है पूरे में. Very beautiful, nice deep grey. Blue है I guess, है ना? Deeper summer green.
Blue.
Nice handles gold के इसमें है ये.
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छा वार्डरोब बनाया है आपने ये. This is very nice. This has come out very well and lot of blue colors being followed in this particular room. ठीक है. Okay, so Pushkar, we have come to the master bedroom.
Yes.
Okay, master bedroom के लिए एक अलग ही तैयारी होती है. If you look at it.
Master bedroom के लिए हर कोई कहता है हमारा बेडरूम ऐसा होना चाहिए, वैसा होना चाहिए.
अच्छा.
You know.
तो आपको क्या ज़हन में था? मतलब what was that running in your mind when you decided this?
See, you know, whenever somebody comes to the house, right? Amongst all the bedrooms, they just want to see the master bedroom, right?
Correct.
So we wanted to use the art fixtures, the texture paint, give a royal look to the bed as well. It is just it has a great view. What you see outside is the pergola as well.
Okay.
So we'll just enter into it as well. And a good dressing room.
Okay.
A nice.
You have a walk-in wardrobe here?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Oh, lovely. Okay, nothing much that we have done here because it was made by the builder.
It was made by the builder, yeah.
Okay. But otherwise, you have expertise in walk-in wardrobes as well. Your company can actually design it.
Yes, absolutely. So they had invested a lot in their children's wardrobe.
Okay.
So we just wanted to keep it simple here, but at the same time, they have a walk-in wardrobe here and a nice bathroom.
ओके. तो अब हम अपना एक पर्सपेक्टिव देते हैं इसका कि जो हमें क्या लगा यहाँ पे. सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि एक थ्रू आउट जो है आप पूरे घर में देखें ना तो प्लांट्स हर जगह हैं. यू गेट टू सी ग्रीनरी एवरीवेयर. बेडरूम की बात करें, इसका फर्नीचर लेआउट है बड़ा अच्छा है. यहाँ पे स्पेस सेविंग है और आपने इस चीज़ का खास ख्याल रखा है कि हर रूम में आपके पास बहुत स्पेस है मूव करने के लिए ताकि आप ऑब्स्टिकल क्रिएट ना करें. और नेचर हमेशा है बिकॉज द प्लांट ऑलवेज एड्स लाइफ टू योर रूम. और एक कॉन्टेम्प्रेरी स्टाइल का है, आपने पहले ही बताया था कि फ्यूजन है. तो एक बहुत खूबसूरत सा बेड है जो कि 100% अपॉल्स्टर्ड बेड है.
करेक्ट.
ये कॉन्टेम्प्रेरी बेड में आता है, यानी कि ये आज के ज़माने का है. एंड देन यू हैव नाइस PU फिनिश में एक बहुत अच्छा सा यूनिट है यहाँ
Unit
पे। एंड देन अगेन कोलैप्सिबल या कंसीलेबल, यहाँ पे कुछ आपने एक्स्ट्रा स्टूल्स दिए हैं ऑफ डिफरेंट कलर्स।
Yes.
और एक चीज़ और बता दें आपको कि यहाँ पे आपने क्योंकि फ्यूजन क्रिएट किया है, तो हमें जो देखने को मिला है यहाँ पे, यू कॉन्स्टेंटली हैव बीन फॉलोइंग लॉट ऑफ येलो एंड ब्लूज एंड रेड, है बिकॉज थोड़ा सा एथनिक रखना था आपको।
Correct.
करेक्ट है। और क्योंकि परगोला से कनेक्टेड है, सो वी डिड नॉट ब्लॉक दैट व्यू, है ना?
Yes.
ठीक है, ये हमारा मास्टर बेडरूम है।
हाँ जी।
ठीक है। और इसमें एक चीज़ और हमने नोटिस किया है कि पूरे घर में आप देखें तो लाइट्स में फॉल्स सीलिंग नहीं है कहीं पे भी। अदरवाइज पीपल सस्पेंड अ ह्यूज क्वांटम ऑफ POP, देन इट बिकम्स वेरी क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिक, और आपकी जो हाइट है ना,
हाइट है वो भी कम
हो जाती है ना? तो यहाँ पे हमने नहीं किया है। एट द सेम टाइम सेफ्टी सिक्योरिटी मेजर्स तो खैर बिल्डर ने लिए हुए हैं। देयर आर लॉट ऑफ स्टील गेट्स प्रोवाइडेड। देयर इज अनदर सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट, और लाइट्स का काफ़ी ब्राइटनेस है, और आपने बहुत स्लीक टॉप लाइट दिया है कि समबडी वांट्स टू रीड ऑन द बेड।
यस,
राइट? करेक्ट पर्सपेक्टिव है?
बिल्कुल सही।
ओके, ठीक है।
आपसे कोई नहीं जानता।
नहीं, ऐसी बात नहीं है। नो, आई एम जस्ट लर्निंग, आई एम जस्ट अ लर्नर। ओके, और एक चीज़ है कि जैसे हम बात करते हैं हमेशा कि एक एलिमेंट है होता है हर घर का, और अगर आप उसको पूरे घर में थोड़ा थोड़ा सा अगर आप स्प्रेड कर दें तो वो आपको एक कल्चरल शॉक नहीं देता। यहाँ पे कलर्स हैं वो चीज़। दूसरी चीज़ यहाँ पे है कि टेक्सचर्ड वॉलपेपर, टेक्सचर्ड वॉल है यहाँ पे, जो पेंट आपने यूज़ किया वो टेक्सचर्ड है, हर रूम में थोड़ा थोड़ा है वो।
सी कभी कभी लोग क्या कहते हैं वॉलपेपर लगवाना चाहते हैं, बट वी दे जस्ट वांटेड टू यू नो यूज द पेंट, बट वी वांटेड टू यूज द टेक्सचर्ड पेंट सो इट लुक्स गुड एज वेल, इट लुक्स नीट एज वेल, एंड yeah, so it gives a fusion as you had been saying.
Okay. All right. So from a master bedroom we are going back again. So going to the kitchen. There is nothing much we have done in the kitchen.
Yeah.
जो main आपने काम किया बस हमें वो बता दीजिए. Then we'll go to pergola.
See, actually we have worked on the wardrobes.
Okay.
This cabinets. And yeah, so this is the major thing that we have done that. So this is the cabinet that we created. So we had a space for the microwave.
Okay.
We had given a little more space here. So we have adjusted this entire unit so that we can adjust a refrigerator as well. But otherwise, we followed the similar theme that what builder gave us here.
Okay. Because the from architectural point of view, everything was already decided by the builder. The layout, because it's a parallel kitchen.
Yes.
Nothing much that
Nothing much that we could do as well, and our clients wanted same way, so they did not want to do a lot of things in kitchen.
Okay.
So, yeah.
But do you specialize in modular kitchens as well?
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely.
Okay. But you can design kitchens as well.
Design from scratch.
All right, cool. Now another interesting point. Last but not the least, the pergola.
Pergola.
We'll go there and we'll figure it out, and at the same time we'll take the wind up there as well.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay?
Let's go ahead.
Let's go there.
Thank you.
All right, Puskash. So we have come to an end now, but
Yes.
this is where we started from.
Yes, we've come to the same place from where we started.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, very beautiful place. We call it as pergola.
Yes, so this is pergola, and this is actually a seating area. So you would find the pergolas on the rooftop, but this time, you know, what we wanted to do is we wanted to have a pergola in the balcony. That was a special request of our customers, our clients.
Okay. All right. So what was the thought behind this when you actually designed this?
So the thought behind was that normally all the people would want to sit in the balcony at some point of time, right?
Okay.
But at the same time, they wanted some space where they can enjoy all the seasons across the year.
Okay.
Right? They can enjoy the evenings. They can enjoy the rains. But at the same time, they wanted to have this covered so that you would find dust all across. So they just wanted to, you know, save themselves from the dust as well. So this is what we designed, and you know, looking at the different age groups, we actually designed the seating in different heights as well.
Okay.
So that it's very, you know, it's a casual sitting, I would say that. So in the evenings, people can party as well. People can enjoy. People can have their high teas as well.
Okay.
So you see a divan here. You see a sofa set there. You see a stool here.
This is made out of old tires.
Yeah, this is made out of old tires, and you could see that a feel of rugs, textiles, cotton. So that was primarily bases the taste of the client.
Right. And ample of lights. There's enough light in
enough
this,
lights.
because at night when the sun sets, you need a lot of lights. Actually,
Absolutely.
right?
And you would notice one thing. So we ensured that, you know, the view from the bedroom should not be
Blocked.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So it's straight away, you know, it's straight. You can see outside as well.
All right. And yet, as we were talking when we were in the bedroom, that yet there is this privacy also.
Yes.
You can, you know, draw these curtains and create a privacy.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yeah. So you can see a shade there. So good contemporary with modern, but with some casual sitting as well.
Right.
So I'm sure people can enjoy here.
Okay, and it has got there are two things. They're very beautifully noticeable things. The one is the transparent or translucent rooftop, because there are people living on the top floor. So there's no scope to make this place littered. Second, this has got the sliding door. So in case you want to protect yourself from heat, or maybe you want to install an AC or something, that you can do.
That can be
Right.
done as well. Yes.
Cool, amazing. We had wonderful experience.
Wow.
Okay, it was fun actually. बहुत मज़ा आया हम देख के पूरा. अब हम कुछ बेसिक क्वेश्चंस आपसे पूछेंगे कि जब भी हम कोई प्रोजेक्ट हमारे पास आता है, जब भी आपके पास कोई कॉल आती है, आपके पास वॉक इन क्लाइंट्स होते हैं आपके ऑफिस से, तो क्या प्रोसीजर है आपसे करने का, वर्क करने का क्या तरीका है?
So सबसे पहले हम उनके पास जाते हैं just to get a view of the place,
Okay.
what they really are looking for. I would be honest that that is a paid visit.
Okay.
And
You charge for a visit?
yes,
Okay,
we charge
cool.
for a visit. And अगर client बोलते हैं that they would need to see get into the deeper conversation and they want to see a 2D design or a 3D design, we also offer that. But this is on a chargeable basis.
Okay.
But and if the deal is signed, then obviously all the amount that we would have charged will be adjusted in the final contract.
Okay.
Yes.
Cool. तो जो लोग को हिंदी में जानना चाहते हैं उनको बता दें कि फर्स्ट मीटिंग जब भी आप करते हैं,
हाँ जी।
फर्स्ट डिस्कशन के बाद में पहले डिसाइड होता है कि कहाँ पे प्रोजेक्ट है, फिर उसके बाद में आप एक छोटी सी मुलाकात करते हैं उनसे और डिसाइड करते हैं कि क्या करना है, जहाँ पे आप थोड़ा सा पेमेंट बहुत नॉमिनल सा पैसा लगता है, फीस है.
Fees है.
उसके बाद में जब आपके डिज़ाइन आइडियाज़ वगैरह के ऊपर डिस्कशन हो जाता है, उसके बाद में आप डिज़ाइन आइडियाज़ देते हैं और डिज़ाइन आइडियाज़ बनने के बाद में वो डिज़ाइन का 2D 3D का एक छोटा सा नॉमिनल पैसा होता है. और जब वो नेक्स्ट डील जब साइन होती है, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बन जाता है पेपर, तो वो पैसा जो विजिट का है और जो 2D 3D है वो एडजस्ट
वो
कर
सब
लेते
adjust
हैं.
होता है.
ऑल
Yes.
राइट. ठीक है, आई थिंक वी आर डन एंड सॉर्टेड, एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर नाउ. एंड एज यू सेड दैट वी टेक केयर ऑफ, वी टेक प्रोजेक्ट्स फ्रॉम दिल्ली एनसीआर ओनली, वी डोंट डू आउटसाइड दिल्ली एनसीआर एज ऑफ नाउ.
For now, we just focusing on Delhi NCR.
The place are already full.
Yes.
Okay, before we sign off, it is important to tell once again that Turnkey is the name of the company, Turnkey Project Interiors, and you have around 7-8 designers with you?
Yeah, about 8 designers that we have.
Okay.
Designers that work with us. Yes.
Okay, and they are specialized in different the theme ideas. Like for example, somebody is in urban theme, somebody is for the contemporary.
Yes,
or
absolutely.
everybody knows everything.
See, I'll be honest that while we have some specialists, we have some generalists as well.
Okay.
So we have mix of both. So we
Both
can't
of-
really just say that okay, we have a specialist for Indian and we have
Okay.
specialists for contemporary, but we would want to have people who understand the business better.
All right. Generally, Indian designer and stylist, they understand all the concepts.
All the concepts. Yes.
Okay, pleasure talking to you. See you very soon. Thank you
So,
very much.
My pleasure. Thank you so much for your time today.
Hi, Chinar.
Hi, thank you for coming to our home.
Pleasure is all mine. You're part of my family. You're part,
Indeed.
right?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, so we are in the family, and that is part of Claptrap, right?
Yes.
So who is the biggest fan of Claptrap in your family? Mom?
It started with my mom, yes, definitely. So
Alright.
I think she's seen almost all of your videos.
Okay.
And we're very thankful for them, honestly, because we learned so much about everything, and that helped us a lot throughout the entire process.
It means a lot for us, especially when we have two contrast of compliments coming. One is your mother, who is a judge, and I'm sure she holds a lot of, she's a woman of substance, and so it means a lot. And second, you are from the younger generation, and you agree the kind of content we create. Okay, so you think the way Claptrap is moving is fine?
Yes, absolutely.
Embedding a lot of knowledge.
I think yes, you covering every topic. I especially like that you covered plants, because now plants and nature is becoming such a huge part of our lives. So just because we're all confined at home, and
Right.
you need that refreshment.
Oh,
so that
lovely.
I really like that.
Okay, so talking about this project is again executed by one of the Claptrap family members, and the name of the company is Turnkey Interiors. The company is owned by Mr. Imran.
Yes.
You met him through Claptrap.
Yes. So yes, we did meet him through Claptrap.
And how was your experience?
It has been wonderful. Imran is a really nice person, and he was so easy to interact with. The first time we met him, I think from the get-go, my mom and I were like, we're going to hire him to, finish off the work in our home. So yes, he was so available for everything, like every question we had, like we will be standing in a shop and we'll just call up Imran, like, Imran, can you please tell us what dimensions should be what should be dimensions for a carpet in this area, or how many cushions you should buy. So yeah, we bothered him a lot throughout the process, and the best part is he's been available always. Like, we'll call him for
Not even once he blew his lid. Not even once he lost his lost his cool.
No, not at all.
Generally, interior designers are very temperamental.
Really? So I can't say that for like having interacted with Imran. No, absolutely not.
Okay, even I can say that. I can also vouch for it because I have met a couple of people and all of them are cool. Likewise, Imran is also very cool when it comes to temperament.
Correct.
Okay, and you gave them a lot of space to work the way they wanted because everything was sorted and clear in the beginning of the contract you signed with him.
Correct. So we had a lot of like consultation with him. So he always gave us ideas, but he was always considerate enough to take in what we wanted as well.
Okay.
So yeah, I think it worked well, both of us. I think we had good similar choices, maybe. So yeah, the entire process with him was smooth, and the time efficiency also, I would say, was quite good.
Okay.
Like, if we gave him an order to make something, we could see the progress happening. So it never felt like, he's just sitting on it, or like, when will we get it? Since I could always call him up and ask him, Imran, kab hoga? And like, we could see things. He would send us pictures of what's happening, what's not. So it was a good experience, definitely.
Super cool. So there are two things to highlight this entire thing. Just to lap up everything, you got your desired results, the kind of results you were expecting from the project.
Absolutely.
This is one. Second, it was delivered in time.
Yes,
okay.
Definitely.
Though I said 2 points, but there's one more point, is the budget part. Everything was sorted in place the way you expected.
Yes, I think he was flexible enough. So if we thought something was on the higher side, we could negotiate with him and he would tell us where we can cut down on cost.
Okay.
So I think, that worked out well as well.
Okay. So when is your housewarming party? Very soon?
We will definitely let you know.
Please. I would love to come here.
Yes, absolutely.
Because I love the kind of fusion is created by turnkey projects, and this is my favorite. I always believed in interior designing, we call it as a fusion, where you mix contemporary, classical, vintage, and also ethnic and semi-urban house. You have got mixed of everything, and they're so beautifully blended. It has come out very well. Congratulations.
Yeah, actually this is one thing that I actually wanted to have, a fusion of things, because I don't feel like, one like monotonous theme flowing throughout the house. My mom and I wanted it to be very vibrant, happy place.
Okay.
Like, when you step in, you should feel excited about everything. So
right.
That's why we were never stuck to one theme, like this is like, we want brown and black or something. We just want to bring out a lot of colors and everything. And so yeah, Imran was like-minded, so it worked out well.
Okay. So we are going to start shooting now, and I hope I'll be able to do the justice to the work. Okay, though it has come out very well, but I'll try my best. Congratulations, you have made a very beautiful house.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.